So hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came in on the biggest hiring from the Superset, and this is a direct hiring. No resume shortlisting will be there. So finally biggest hiring announced, and 10th April means registration will start from 10th April 5 p.m. So make sure to apply for this. So graduate career fair multiple role 2024 2025 and Superset Varsity Bangalore, Chennai, Coimbatore, Hyderabad, Kolkata. So they are hiring for the multiple location, and CTC you can get up to 2,80,000 per month. So they are hiring for the role of customer technical support, engineering, web software, and information technology. So if I provide you more details, so they are looking for various role. So eligible by 2024 2025, and eligible graduation, any 3 year graduates can apply, means from BCA, BCom, and all those branches. If you are having, then you can apply. So they are looking for the role of software support engineer, application support engineer, ASC, technical support engineer, TSS, and IT operation associate. So these will roles and responsibilities. Just go through it. So as a software support engineer, you will develop and test software component based on the functional requirement, write and optimize a database query, and other cloud operation you're gonna do. So make sure to apply with this wonderful opportunity, especially 2024 2025. Okay, because this is one of good hiring, and if you will do this kind of job within 1 or 2 days, you can get the salary hike. So make sure to apply with this. Moving to next, again, that is from the Superset only, that is PWD, or Work Integrated Learning Program from the wipro. So they are looking for the 2024 and 2025 pass out and financial year 2026. So last date to apply is 30 April. So still there are many days, but I suggest apply as soon as possible. And talking about the benefits and the stuff you are getting, so CTC 15,488, and these are the stipend you will be getting, 15,000 plus ESI and other important amenities. So joining bonus beside that you will get 75,000. So who are legal for this? 10th standard pass, 12th standard, and graduating in graduation you should have 60%, and you are passing 2024 2025 can apply. So this is completely for the BC and BSc. For friends BE BTech, if you want, I have already provided lots of important job update on my YouTube channel, so you can just go through it. And recently basically TCS result has been announced, and many of the candidates from our mock interview has been selected. So if you have been selected for interview and want to schedule your mock interview with us, then you can schedule us by filling the form link in the description. And again saying friends, either you're giving mock interview to me or not, but must give mock interview to someone else, then only you will get the clarity of your strength and weakness, and you can work on. Okay, so we will provide you resume review and other guidance. So if you want, you can fill the form. Moving to second last important opportunity, this is also a AI intern role, that is 6 month internship, work from office 5 days, and duration is 6 months, and this is a unpaid. So if you want to just learn, then only you can apply, otherwise you are not getting any paid. Okay, so for learning purpose this is a good. So you will be working on LLMs, chatbots, and AI systems. So if you're interested, you can apply. Next important opportunity, that is automation anywhere. They are hiring for the role of intern, and 2026 2025 both can apply. Stipend you can get 35k per month. So this is also wonderful opportunity. Means 35k means around 4.5 LPS. Your package will be there. So this is not that much bad. Okay, in compared to TCS Ninja and the role. So this is a full-time role, and last date is means 19 days still left to apply, and this is wonderful opportunity. So this is your responsibility. You will work with Python to support scripting data and help in conducting research on AI ML, collaborate with cross-functional, and this is your technical profile. So students from who have completed the bachelor or master degree in computer science, engineering, or data science related field, then you can apply for this. And you should have active GitHub repo, then this will basically increase your selection chances. Hope video informative to you. कोई भी query feel free to ask or comment here. We can connect on LinkedIn and any profile, and we can ask your query. So मिलते हैं next video में. Thank you.